Perimeter of a composite shape. The perimeter measures the outline of a shape or the total distance around the edges. A square, it's all the way round the outside. A composite shape, again it's all the way round the outside, every edge. Let's look at this composite shape. The perimeter would be A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G plus H, the total of all the edges around the outside of the shape. And with real measurements, it will be the total of 20 plus 24 plus 18 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12. If we add those up, it's a total of 104 centimetres. If we were to convert it to metres, it will be 1.04 metres. With composite and regular shapes, the measurements are often related. Let's look at these three sides. The total of them is the same as the opposite side. So 12 plus 7 plus 5 equals 24 centimetres. If you don't know the length of a side, you might be able to work it out from the others. If the perimeter of the shape is 86 centimetres, what's the length of side D? The perimeter is all the way around the outside. It will be all the lengths of the edges, including D. And we know the perimeter is 86 centimetres. So 86 centimetres equals 78 centimetres plus D. If we subtract 78 from both sides, 86 minus 78 is 8 centimetres, so D equals 8 centimetres. What's the perimeter of this shape? Use what we're given to find the missing information. The perimeter is the addition of all the edges all the way around the shape. So it would include A, B and C. We need to find out what A, B and C total. What's the length of A, B and C? If we add A and B and C together, we can see it's the same length as the top side, 30 centimetres. So we can substitute 30 centimetres for A, B and C, and then we can add up and find the perimeter. It's a total of 114 centimetres. If we were to convert this to metres, it would be 1.14 metres. Remember, the perimeter measures the outline of a shape or the total distance around the edges. You can often work out the length of some sides of the composite shapes based on the others.